sky turns gray and the tears start to pour. I feel the weight of loss, my heart heavy, core to core. Friends and family gone, memories I adore. The absence cut deep like an open raw sore. When it rains, it pours, and my soul, it soars through the memories of those who won't walk through the door. But I keep their spirit alive forevermore in my heart. Their love will always endure. Life's a bittersweet journey filled with joy and pain, but the pain intensifies when loved ones are slain. Their laughter echoes in my mind like a haunting refrain, leaving emptiness behind, an unfillable domain. That's why when it rains, it pours, and my soul, it soars through the memories of those who won't walk through them doors. But I keep this thing alive forevermore in my heart. Their love will always endure. I remember some of the good times, the laughter we shared. Now the presence is a void, a wound never repaired. But I find solace in knowing that you're watching from up there, guiding me through life, showing me you still care. Couldn't see it coming down.